Come here, buddy. Are you just going to sit there? Come here. Come on. Here comes Ethan. Come on. You can do it. Oh, there we go. Good. Oh, get up. Did you get the toy and now you don't want anything else? Oh, you're pacified. Come on. Oh, it wasn't very far. Good job, bud. There we are, cheesy baby. Come on. Come here, Ethan. Are you going to come? Are you tired? There's a big smile. Come here. Mommy's waiting. Here he comes. Oh, we biffed it. And he's up again. Oh, he's on the move. Good job, buddy. Oh, my mighty crawler. Come on. A little bit more. Come here. Woo! Keep coming. You can do it! Yay! Oh, good job! Good job, buddy! Perfect. Here's Ethan, he's gonna walk. Oh, that wasn't a good one. We'll try again. Here goes Ethan. He's just learning how to walk. Oh! He crashed and burned. Okay. Ethan's learning how to walk. Oh, he did such a good job. Yay, Ethan.
Good luck. Good job, buddy.
Okay, here comes Ethan. Our walker. Oh. Just.
Okay, Ethan's gonna try to walk. Oops.
Okay.
Ready, buddy? No.
Oh. Okay. Oh, here comes Ethan. Okay. Try again. No.
Okay, ready, buddy? Stand up. Well, you're going too fast. So you're not ready yet. Okay, now.
Ethan!
The couch. You ready for the couch? Look, make that thing.
Come on!
Light up.
Oh! There we go, Wobbly Baby. Good job. Oh, kerplop. Okay, one more time. Come on!
I can tell you're not wrong, so I will let you go. You're distracted by me.
Oh, he got the ball. Good job.